Well, it was first detected in Pennsylvania in 2014, and within the past few years, it moved into Ohio. We are talking about the spotted lanternfly.
While pretty to look at, the insect is destructive to the ecosystem. Amanda Fay joined us again from Woodlawn Cemetery to tell us what to look out for. Amanda?
Yeah, that's right, Dan. It is kind of pretty when you look at it, but that bug is no fun for our trees here in the area. And I'm joined now by a tree expert, Amy Stone with OSU Extension, to talk about what those little guys like to eat. And you're going to show us an example this evening.
Yes, so when we're out here at the cemetery, we talk about all good things about trees, but occasionally there's those pests that we need to bring up. And so what I have here is a sample. This is their favorite food. This is a lanthus, or tree of heaven. And so at some point, scientists believe that the insect actually had to feed on this to complete its life cycle. They have found out otherwise, but it does reduce the amount of eggs that the female will produce. And so we're really trying to get people to find this tree and manage it, and which means removal. It's a non-native tree, and so it's kind of a pest in its own. And this is one leaf. So they've got large leaves, almost tropical looking. And so they'll feed on this plant, and that's really right now where the adults are primarily. They'll also feed on grapes, which that may capture some people's attention, especially if you like wine or grape juice. And this is really the crop that we're most concerned about, because as they feed, they're going to reduce the vigor of the plant and kind of stress it out. And going into winter, that can cause the plant some problems. And so there's been vineyards in Pennsylvania that have lost their entire crop as a result of spotted lanternfly feeding.
So definitely a big problem, and we want to do what we can to get it out of here. So we're showing some pictures of what they look like, and what should people do if they come across one, because now they're in the adult stage, right? So we'll be seeing more of them?
Yeah, so they're a little bit more mobile. They can glide around. So if you see one, and it doesn't necessarily have to be on a plant, it could be on a driveway or a sidewalk or maybe the side of a building, we're asking you to capture the insect or a photo and then report that either to the Ohio Department of Agriculture, or there's an app on your phone, just so we have a good understanding of where this insect is spreading and populations are building.
Okay, little thing that we can do. And as you mentioned, we're getting ready to start another tree session here at Woodlawn Cemetery. Starts at 6 o'clock, and you'll be telling people all about all the different trees that are here in the cemetery.
Absolutely, for sure.
All right, very good, Amy. Thank you so much. And again, if you're interested, come out at 6 o'clock. It is the Hillcrest entrance for tonight's session at 6 o'clock. And there are two more, one in October and one in November as well, so you can learn everything about trees. Reporting live in West Toledo, Amanda Fay, WTOL 11.